In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix a microphone that isn't working on an HP laptop or computer. If this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, just make sure your microphone isn't muted on the keyboard itself. Many HP laptops have a microphone shortcut key. Usually it's like the F8 key with a microphone icon. Just press that once, toggle the microphone on and off, and if the microphone is muted, press it again to turn it back on. From here, what you're going to want to do is hit the start menu, just like so, and then from here, select settings, and then go to system on the left-hand sidebar, scroll down, find sound, and open that up. And once you're on sound, what you need to do is just scroll down until you get to this input section right here, and just make sure that your microphone is selected on here. Once you go ahead and make sure that your microphone is selected, you could adjust the volume right here as well. And as you can see, when I speak, the voice goes up a little bit, and of course it goes down as well. That is just one of the options for you. You can also scroll down a little bit more and find more sound settings. Select this. It's going to take you to a page. It looks like this. What you're going to want to do is find your microphone on here. So I actually have, let's see if I can find it real quick. In recording, here it is. I'd essentially want to right click on it and then hit properties just like so. What I'd recommend doing is going to advanced and hitting restore defaults. And then after that, what you can also do is back out if you're still having any issues and type in device manager. Once device manager opens up for you, go ahead and find your audio inputs. So open that up and you're going to want to look for your microphone on here. Go ahead and right click it, hit update driver, hit search automatically for drivers, and if there's a driver update in here, go ahead and do it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.